Girl, I wanna see you twerk. I throw a little money if you twerk. I don't really think you can twerk.
What is up, you guys? Oh my god, I am finally back, y'all. I'm back. I promise I'm back. I know a lot of people have been telling me that, you know, I went ghost. Why am I not posting anymore? But y'all, I've just been, you know, overwhelmed with clients. I've been having clients back to back to back to the point where my freaking right here was sore. Under my feet was burning, y'all. It was crazy. So I was like waking up 9 o'clock. Damn near every day I had a client. Like, no chuck, I'm not even joking. I had a client every day. And I've been tired. So today is Tuesday now. Yesterday was Monday. I didn't have a client yesterday or today. So it's like I had to make myself get up and make this video because, y'all, I've just been so tired and I've been trying to get my rest back. But let's get into the video. I am back, y'all. I am back with one of my favorite hair companies, which is Yiroo Hair. A couple months ago, they sent me long hair, and I think I did like a brown color that was supposed to be red, if you guys remember that. But this time I got all short lengths. I got 14. I never go short, but I wanted to do like a natural look. Like I want to do something different. So I got all 14 body waves, and I got a closure. I already went ahead and bleached the closure once I got the hair, so making the video will be easier. But y'all, these knots are bleached to perfection. You hear me? Okay. So in today's video, I'm going to be making a wig, of course. I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my wig. Well, you guys already know, but I'm just going to be doing it on camera. This video won't have much talking in it. Wow, 14 inch. Oh, 14 is right here. So the look I'm going... Oh, this look is about to be fire, y'all. This video is going to be 2 separate videos. This video is going to be me making the wig. And y'all already know how I feel about Yiroo Hair, y'all. Their hair is bomb. Their hair is mad bomb. Always cut, no split ends over hair, honey, okay? And it's soft. And it's real thick. Well, of course, because it's 14 inches. So, enough babbling. Let's now... But yeah, hold on, wait. Like I was saying. What I was saying? Oh yeah, this is going to be 2 separate videos. This video is going to be me making the wig. Oh my god, this hair is so freaking soft, y'all. Oh my god. This video is going to be me making a wig, and the next video is going to be me. Ooh, you gotta wait and see. It feels so good to be back in front of the camera, y'all. It's been a long time. A real long time.
When I ride out, bumble.
It's fake kills.
One time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. It's got to be. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one. Them a step in a me yard, them a enter. Them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Man, I tell him, me then go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see the girl, them go down. Ooh wee, bad man the show now. Oh yeah, see the girl, them go down. Ooh wee, and a bad man run the show, now. Yeah. Go digga, she a gold digga. Man figure, me na run digga. One nigga say really one digga. Na me yard and see. Go digga, she a gold digga. Man figure, me na run digga. One nigga say really one digga. Call me emergency. One time me na never. Them a girls, them a coming over. Bad man, me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man, me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time, me a never waste time. Them a girls, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh. Man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man on the road. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee, bad man on the show now. Oh yeah, see the girl, them go down. Ooh wee, and a bad man run the show. Now. Yeah. Go digga, she a gold digga. Man figure, me na run digga. One nigga say really one digga. Na me yard and see. Go digga, she a gold digga. Man figure, me na run digga. One nigga say original Batman. One time, he's butty baby. VQs, mix it, yeah, no, leg up. He's body baby, oh Lord have his mercy. Hey, I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me. You a murder me. She says she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder. Your face, your eyes, looking very nice. The way you want, I want you to be mine. So make you turn it up and put it on me. Girl, make you follow me and be my only. So make you go down, girl. Oh Lord, make you slow down, girl.
Okay, so y'all, why is my camera looking like this? I am back and the wig is done. So this is how the wig looks. And honestly, only took me an hour to do that. Like, that was quick as hell. It usually takes me 2 hours to do frontals, which I don't understand because frontals is a wider thing. So I feel like frontals should take me an hour and closures should take me 2 hours. But it's the other way around. So I'm going to go ahead and try this on. Ooh, it fits perfect. It fits great. Oh my god, it fits so tight and good. Okay. So, y'all, I still have a whole bundle left. And I have a little bit of the second bundle left. So, shout out to Yiroo because their hair stick AF. Now, I still have the black thing underneath because I didn't want to cut it yet. But I still have the black thing underneath. And look at that part, y'all. That part is amazing. So, right now I have to, it's crazy how I just took that off. But, let me hurry up and cut the middle of this out. Now we're cutting this out. You gotta be real careful. You don't want to cut too close to the thread because it will unravel. Ooh, I just missed it, y'all. I just missed it. But yeah, you don't want to cut too close to the thread because it will unravel, which is common sense, y'all. But usually when I'm done making wigs, always for me or anyone else, I always, dang, that's too close. I cut that too close. I always try it on before I cut anything out because you never know if you have to make it over. So, yeah. So I gotta put this back on. Yo, this wig fit perfect, y'all. Like, it's not too tight, it's not too loose. Like, it fits perfectly fine. And the closure, yo, look at the closure though, y'all. Hold on, let me put this on my head correctly. Do y'all see the closure though? Like, the closure is sitting so tight. Let me get a comb. Do y'all see how, let me see if I'll do a side part. Why is my camera so low? Okay. Let me see if I do a side part. Ooh. Nah, what? Nah, wait. Alright, so y'all, right now I have to run to the store for part 2 of the video. I have to run to the store for something real quick. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys in part 2 of the video. So, bye.
Word around town. I heard this boy was a clown. Ooh, swimming your bitch, watch her drown. Call him up for the pounds. Wait.
Our future years right on my clothes. Bad bitch, yeah, watch it do coke. Broke as hell, used to sleep on the floor. I never do it no more. Ooh. Telling you broke is no joke. Ooh. I used to kick in that dope. Wait, now I'm selling out the shows.